Hey Sergio, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Thank you so much for taking my call today and requesting this free video. So today I'm going to just walk you through a few things that you can apply today to help you start ranking higher and getting more of those organic leads. Um, you have a fairly nice website. I understand that it was built by 99 calls. Um, I've actually reviewed quite a few of their websites. Um, I don't like to speak ill of anybody. Um, they're doing a lot of things right, but they're really missing the mark on the optimization for search engine optimization purposes for ranking. Um, so the key the key to ranking is content, and you have to have a lot of content and keywords. Um, so this part is good here. You have a page for each of your service areas. So this is very, very important so that you're able to be found in those areas. However, your service area pages, as well as your services and homepage, just don't have the right type of content. So the rule of thumb is you want to have more content than your competition, and you need to have on your homepage, you should have at least 1,000 to 1,500 words, and they need to be focused on the location based buyer intent keywords. Those are the keywords that people are actually going to be searching for your specific services when they have those emergencies. Um, so that 1,000 to 1,500 words, that comes down to about 150 words for every keyword that you're going to target. And you need to follow the same guidance on all of your pages, services and service areas. And with keywords, there has to be some repetition on those pages. You can't just use a word once and expect it to become a keyword. So there are some rules to that, but you definitely need to work on the content strategy. That's the biggest problem on your website is the content and those keywords. Google uses crawlers, which are little mini robots that index all of your pages, indexing for your content and your keywords so that they can rank your website for those words and help put you in front of your customers when somebody searches for those terms. Here's one of your top competitors in Los Angeles. Excuse me, I'm sorry. Um, this is one of your top competitors in Los Angeles. You really have to analyze your competitors for every single location, but for this specific one, we have Allied, and they have a nice site as well. They have more content and more of the relevant keywords, the buyer intent keywords. Um, and those are what are helping to rank them. So, in order to beat these guys, you have to have more content. You have to work on those keywords. Um, this is a program we use called Ahrefs, and it helps us to analyze how your website is performing. And as you can see, your domain rating for your website is 0 out of 100 in Google's trust flow, which means Google has zero trust in your website. Um, and that is 100% because if you're referring domains and backlinks, you need to have a lot of backlinks. And you need to have a lot more backlinks than your top competitor. And not all backlinks are created equal. So you need to make sure they're highly authoritative backlinks. Because you don't have the right content strategy, you're indexed for 53 keywords, but they're not necessarily the proper keywords, and so you're not getting any traffic organically to your website. When we look at your competitor here, they have a domain rating of a 20 and a homepage rating of 34. And that is because they have over 700 backlinks. The fact that they have 700 backlinks and their domain is only a 20 tells me that a lot of those backlinks are actually spammy, junky, no follow backlinks. And you need to have do follow high authority ones. Because they have more content, they're actually being indexed for over 800 keywords. And so they're seeing over 700 people to their website on average per month. So that's quite a bit of traffic that you're missing out on. Backlinks are when one website links to your website and drives traffic to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. The more relevant your backlinks are and the website is to your industry, the more authority it gives you and the higher it's going to rank you. So it's really important to go after those high authority backlinks. And the last thing I want to talk about real quick is the Google My Business or Google Map Pack here. This is a really critical component. You want to be in the top 3 for your service areas and your keywords because 30% of people come straight to the map pack and don't go anywhere else. So if you're not in this top 3, you are handing those leads over to your competition. Now, in order to get in the top 3, which is a highly competitive spot, there's several factors, but the number one factor is your citations. And a citation is the name of your business, your address, your phone number, and your website, and having those listed in a variety of places like Facebook, LinkedIn, Yellow Pages, Yelp, etc. So you need to have a lot more of those than your top competitors. Now, when you follow these tips I've provided you today, your website can be number 1 across Google for your service areas and your keywords. Now, I know you're probably wondering, well, what do I do now? Well, you can either take this information I've provided and do it yourself, which is completely okay because this is just free education. I just ask that you go ahead and give me some feedback and let me know what you thought of this video. If you decide you would like help getting some of this stuff done and you don't want to have to worry about it, go ahead and give us a call at the number on your screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching and I look forward to hearing from you soon.